And now, your Highland Weather update with Chief Forecaster Beckett Webb on the Highland Weather Channel.
Alrighty, hello everyone. Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here inside the Highland Weather Studios. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this Highland Weather Live. I don't know if you guys were able to take a look at it yesterday, but Forecaster Jackson did the premiere of the Highland Weather Primetime, which will take place every weekday at 8 p.m. here on Highland Weather TV. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and watch our broadcasts. So now, let's go and get started with the latest of what I'm checking here on Highland Weather Live. Temperatures warm up today. Sun finally returning from today through tomorrow. Rain threat returns this week. And potential snow threat next week. Looking at temperatures and skies conditions as we get out the door. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s, around cloudy skies around all the way through 10 a.m. Then we finally see the return of mostly sunny skies around 12 through 5 p.m. Temperatures warming up into the upper 40s before dropping into the upper 40s around 5 p.m. We finally see those clouds start to dissipate around 8 p.m. this evening, and we finally see some clearing out skies around midnight tonight, with temperatures dropping from the upper 30s down into the lower 30s. Looking at today's forecast here, rain, fog, and mostly sunny skies is expected today. Highs in the lower 50s, around 52. Mostly clear skies, blustery tonight with a low of 22 degrees. So make sure you are ready for those cold temperatures from tonight into tomorrow. And just to let you guys know before we go into the futurecast, I will not be here all week next week, because I'll be out of town. I don't know exactly if Forecaster Jackson will continue the Highland Weather Primetime, or I'll have someone take over Highland Weather Live. Most likely I'll figure out someone to take over this slot here until I come back, but we'll see how that goes, and we'll keep you updated on social media with the latest. And Forecaster Jackson will probably provide an update about that tonight at 8 p.m. on Highland Weather Primetime. Now, looking at the futurecast here as we continue on, throughout much of the morning, skies showers start to pop up throughout the early morning hours. Then we finally see the skies start to clear out around 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Then just clear skies around midnight to 3 o'clock. Still clearing skies. A few clouds start to pop up, but besides that, and then clouds start to return back into the forecast Friday. But besides that, we got nothing. Total ice accumulations, this is for overnight hours. This is going to be from right now all the way to at least 10 a.m. this morning before we warm up massively. But you can see a little additional accumulations of ice, about 0.1, a trace of 0.10. If we go up towards Boone, about 0.10 to 0.24 inches of ice accumulations. So it's not going to be as bad as we've seen. Over 1,000 people lost power because of this ice storm yesterday and the day before. So make sure you are prepared. This is a 24-hour observed precipitation. So the past 24 hours precipitation that we have seen here, we've seen about 1 to 2 inches here down towards Andrews, Gatlinburg, Knoxville. Asheville's seeing about 0.50 to 0.99 inches. Again, this is subject to change as we're doing this update here, because rain is expected this morning. And then we will see, and then down towards Greenwood, all of those areas that got about 0.25 to 0.49 inches. And other locations got about a trace to 0.9 inches. So nothing really that much. We did receive a flood warning for the Frenchborough River, or Pigeon River, I believe, Cobb County, Tennessee, because of all that rain. But here we haven't seen any flood alerts so far. So that's some awesome news here. I'm not expecting the National Weather Service. I said this before, but I'm going to change this. I'm not expecting the National Weather Service to extend that flood watch into here. That flood watch for our East Tennessee counties is going to expire this morning and will no longer be in effect throughout much of the day. And we finally see that drying out conditions. Looking at today's maximum temperature, 58 in Nashville. Looking down towards Greenville, Spartanburg, 70 in Greenville, Spartanburg, 68 in Anderson, 68 in Greenwood, 72 in Columbia, 66 in Charlotte, 63 in Hickory, 46 in Boone, 55 in Gatlinburg, 52 in Knoxville, and 65 in Decoa. Looking at tonight's minimum temperatures here, 30s throughout much of the region, 38 in Nashville, 34 in Boone, 36 in Hickory, 38 in Charlotte, 39 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 40 in Anderson, 41 in Greenwood, 44 in Columbia, 40 in Toccoa, 39 in Athens, 45 in Gatlinburg, 47 in Andrews, 45 in Knoxville, 34 in Boone, 34 in Mount Airy, and 39 in Wadesboro. Looking at tomorrow's maximum temperatures here, 50 in Asheville, 52 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 52 in Greenwood, 49 in Charlotte, 48 in Hickory, 44 in Boone, 54 in Gatlinburg, 49 in Knoxville, 52 in Toccoa, 52 in Greenwood, 55 in Columbia, 45 in Winston-Salem, and 53 in Sumter. Now we look at tomorrow's minimum temperatures. We can see after we've seen a little bit, so we've stayed throughout much of the 30s, throughout much of this rain event here, but we were able to stay around the 30 mark above freezing for many locations in the lower elevations, above freezing throughout much of those few days when we were getting that rain. But we're going to start seeing those temperatures drop overnight tomorrow night. We can see 22 in Asheville, 29 in Greenville-Spartanburg, 30 in Anderson, 30 in Greenwood, 33 in Columbia, 29 in Charlotte, 25 in Hickory, 19 in Boone, 23 in Gatlinburg, 25 in Andrews, 25 in Knoxville, and 31 in Toccoa. Now, I do want to say the Weather Prediction Center has put out our entire broadcast area for below average temperatures over the next couple of days to make sure you're ready for those cold temperatures to drop massively. And as we look at a 7-day forecast here, we have a chance of rain and snow on Wednesday. But first, Thursday high 51, low of 22. Friday we see the return of showers just a little bit, mostly sunny, high 60% chance, high 54, low of 24. Now we see Saturday and Sunday that rain returns yet again, about 90% chance. Saturday high 49, low of 34. Then we see Friday high 55, low of 48. We do have that threat of overnight snow. That's about a 30% chance overnight, but a 90% chance throughout much of the morning hour, throughout much of the day for that rain threat Sunday. But we're gonna have to continue to monitor that Sunday night, and we'll keep you updated on that. You may want to enjoy today, Monday, and Tuesday, because excluding out the cold that we're going to see, because it's going to be 37 for a high, low of 25. Excluding that, we're going to see some very nice conditions, sunny skies, Monday all the way through Tuesday. Tuesday we'll see mostly sunny skies, high around 44, low around 30. And then we look at Wednesday, we have about 40% chance of rain and snow, highs in the upper 30s, lows in the mid 20s. We'll keep you updated on that. The Weather Prediction Center has also issued a slight risk for our viewing area because of that snow accumulation. It is uncertain at this time, so we're not going to go out and specifically say what we're going to see and what we're not going to see. We'll keep you updated on that. Besides that, I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. I'm Chief Weather Forecaster Beckett Webb here. Have a great rest of your day today, and I will see you all live at 7 a.m. Friday morning with the last look at the Friday forecast. That is, if I can do it. And then I will see you all the week after this coming week. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day, and I will leave you with a live look at downtown Asheville.